Are you losing money due to disorganization in your house? You might be surprised to find out. Ever wondered why your wallet feels lighter than it should? It's probably not the coffee you bought this morning, but rather those sneaky house organization mistakes silently draining your funds. But don't panic. We're here to highlight these common pitfalls and provide practical solutions to help you turn things around. So buckle up and prepare for an enlightening journey through the world of house organization. Stay tuned as we dive into these common mistakes and how to fix them. First up, buying duplicates. How many times have you bought something for your house that you already own? Now, let's dive into the world of duplicates. It's a fascinating place where two can openers coexist in the same kitchen drawer, each oblivious of the other's existence. Picture this, you're ready to crack open a can of your favorite soup, but alas, the can opener is nowhere to be found. It's lost in the labyrinth of your cluttered kitchen drawer. So what do? You buy another one, and there you have it, a duplicate. This might sound like a harmless oversight, but think about it. How many duplicates are lurking in your drawers, cupboards, and closets? These unnecessary expenditures can add up, slowly but surely, eating into your budget. But don't fret, there's a simple solution to this, keeping a clean and organized inventory of your possessions. By doing so, you'll always know what you have and, more importantly, what you don't need to buy. Avoid this by keeping a clean and organized inventory of your possessions. Second mistake, forgetting to pay household bills. Late fees are no joke, my friends. It's like your money is taking a vacation without you, to the land of unplanned expenses. Disorganization can be the tour guide for this unwanted trip. When bills, invoices, and statements start to pile up like a mountain range on your kitchen counter, or get lost in the abyss of your email inbox, it's all too easy to lose track of due dates. Now here's the fix. Consider setting reminders on your phone or computer. This digital nudge can be the lifesaver that prevents your money from packing its bags. Alternatively, a bill tracker app can be your personal financial assistant, helping you keep an eagle eye on your pending payments. So let's bid farewell to the days of forgotten bills and unexpected late fees. Remember, an organized bill system means no more unnecessary late fees. Before we move on to the next set of mistakes, let's take a short break. If you're enjoying this video so far, and you're finding these tips helpful, we'd appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up. Your feedback helps us create more content just like this. And while you're at it, why not leave a comment? Share your own tips for staying organized, or tell us about a time when disorganization cost you. We'd love to hear from you. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll get notified whenever we post a new video, so you never miss out on these handy tips. Plus, as a bonus, we're offering a free copy of our ebook, Simplify Your Home. It's a step-by-step guide to leading a clutter-free life. You'll find the link in the video description. Grab your copy today and start your journey to a more organized and stress-free life. Now let's get back to the video and uncover more common mistakes that come with disorganization. Next up, we have a trio of mistakes: losing items, wasted groceries, and time wasted on searching. Let's dive right in. First, let's tackle the issue of losing items. We've all been there, haven't we? Misplaced keys, lost remote controls, and the ever-elusive pen that seems to disappear into thin air. Every minute spent searching for these missing items is a minute lost. And time, as they say, is money. So how do we fix this? The solution is simple. Assign a home for every item. Imagine never having to turn your house upside down for your keys again because you know exactly where they are. It's a simple change, but it can save you a lot of time and, consequently, money. Next, we have the issue of wasted groceries. Picture this. You bought a bag of spinach with the best intentions, but alas, it wilts away in the fridge while you order takeout. Sound familiar? Wasted groceries are wasted money. The best way to combat this is through meal planning. Knowing what you're going to cook and when helps ensure that all the groceries you buy are used. Plus, you'll be less tempted to order takeout when you know there's a delicious home-cooked meal waiting for you. Finally, we come to the time wasted on searching. This ties in with our first point about losing items, but it goes beyond that. Think about the time you spend looking for documents on your cluttered computer or rifling through a messy drawer. It all adds up. And just like before, time is money. The remedy? Stay organized. Keep your digital files and physical items neatly arranged. You'll be amazed at how much time you save when you know exactly where everything is. In conclusion, these three mistakes, losing items, wasting groceries, and time wasted on searching, are all interconnected. They stem from a lack of house organization, and the simple solution is to stay organized. Keep things in their designated places, plan your meals, and keep your spaces tidy. It's a small change that can bring about a big difference. Organization is key to saving both time and money. Our final set of mistakes includes impulse buys, unutilized subscriptions, overstocking, procrastination, and not returning items on time. Impulse buying, we've all been there. That shiny gadget or trendy outfit catches our eye, and before we know it, we're handing over our hard-earned cash. But impulse buys can add up quickly, leaving us with a lighter wallet and a pile of items we didn't really need. The solution? Create a budget and stick to it. When you feel the urge to splurge, take a step back. Ask yourself if you truly need the item or if it's just a want. If it's the latter, consider putting it on a wish list. That way you can revisit the item later when you're not in the heat of the moment. Next up, unutilized subscriptions. These are the gym memberships, streaming services, and monthly box subscriptions that seemed like a good idea at the time, but are now gathering digital dust. It's easy to forget about these subscriptions when they're automatically deducted from our accounts each month. But over time, they can drain our finances without us even realizing it. A simple fix? Set a reminder to review your subscriptions regularly. Cancel those you no longer use or get value from. And remember, just because it's a good deal doesn't mean it's a good deal for you. Overstocking is another common trap. Buying in bulk can save money, but only if you actually use what you buy. Otherwise, you're just wasting money on items that will sit in your pantry or closet until they expire or go out of style. So before you buy that 24-pack of canned soup or 10 pairs of socks, ask yourself if you'll really use them. If not, resist the urge to overstock. Procrastination, the art of delaying or postponing things, is our fourth money-draining mistake. Whether it's putting off repairs, ignoring regular maintenance, or simply failing to act on a good deal, procrastination can cost you. The remedy? Take action. Set a schedule, make a to-do list, and stick to it. Remember, a stitch in time saves 9. Finally, not returning items on time. Whether it's library books, rented movies, or borrowed tools, late returns can lead to hefty fines. The solution is simple. Set reminders for when items are due and return them on time. You'll save money and avoid the stress of late fees. With a bit of organization, these costly mistakes can easily be avoided. So there you have it. 10 house organization mistakes that might be costing you money. We kicked things off with the cost of disorganization, a silent budget killer that sneaks up on you. We've all bought duplicates of something we already have, simply because we couldn't find the original. Then there's the forgotten bill, a small oversight that can lead to late fees and dings on your credit score. And let's not forget the lost items, the groceries that go to waste, and the countless minutes spent searching for something you know is around here somewhere. Next, we dove into the pitfalls of impulse purchases, those shiny objects that catch your eye and end up unused. Or the subscriptions you signed up for on a whim and never use. We've all been there, haven't we? We also touched on the issue of overstocking. Yes, buying in bulk can save money, but only if you use what you buy before it expires. And then, there's procrastination, that thief of time and money. Last but not least, we talked about the cost of not returning items on time. Now the ball's in your court. You have the knowledge to avoid these mistakes. It's time to take control, implement these solutions, and start saving. Remember, a little organization goes a long way in saving money. Until next time, stay organized and keep saving. Before we wrap up, we want to remind you to subscribe to the SmartLife Solutions channel. This way, you won't miss out on our upcoming Remember, when you subscribe to the SmartLife Solutions channel, you're not just joining a community. You're gaining access to a whole host of resources designed to help you live a more organized life. Don't miss out on your free Simplify Your Home ebook available in the video description. This ebook is your roadmap to a clutter-free life, filled with tips and tricks to turn chaos into calm, one room at a time. Plus, we've made it easy for you to find and purchase all the cleaning products mentioned in this video. Just check out the links in the video description. Subscribe now, and let's start this journey towards a more organized, stress-free lifestyle together.